कि आपको क्या लगता है कि अभी मुस्लिम ममालिक जो हैं,
जी।
कई मुस्लिम ममालिक, उनका अभी नज़रिया हिंदुस्तान की तरफ कैसा है? पहले कुछ अड़चन आए थे, लेकिन अब कैसा है? क्योंकि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को इतना अच्छा वेलकम मिला था
जी।
इन द गल्फ कंट्रीज।
जी।
सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
देखिए, यही बात है कि जो हम बता रहे हैं, जो हमारी डेमोक्रेसी है, हमारी जमहूरियत है, हमारी जनतंत्र है,
जी।
जो हम बता रहे हैं ये बहुत पावरफुल है। और अगर हमने एक लीडर को किया है, चाहे वो किसी भी पार्टी का हो, हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है। हम चाहते हैं कि जो भी लीडर है, जो भी वो मूवमेंट लाए, हम उसकी सपोर्ट करें, जैसे भी हो। हम उसकी जो है सपोर्ट करें इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, not in the interest of any religion or any kind of any group.
True.
You see, because we come from the noble lineage of Islam which believes in brotherhood, not nationhood. हमें कोई मतलब नहीं, हमें जो है ना कोई अपने गिरोह बनाने, अपने ग्रुप बनाने हैं और हम बैठ करके अजी हम किसी और को बात करेंगे, किसी के खिलाफ बात करेंगे, हमें वो करना नहीं है. Because we have our own brotherhood and we want to have this brotherhood in this country. There is no nationhood here and we should not believe in the concept of nationhood. And the partition and the Pakistan is a very classic example of the nationhood failing.
So you say this is an abomination in the name of Islam.
इस्लाम देखिए, अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि भाई हम मुसलमान हैं तो हम अलग रहेंगे, तो हम उर्दू बोल रहे हैं तो भाई हमारी अलग कंट्री रहेगी, अगर ऐसा होता तो आज सऊदी अरब है, ओमान है, बहरीन है, ये सारी कंट्रियां हैं. यहाँ पर तो अरबी भी बोलते हैं और इनका कॉन्सेप्ट भी सेम है और इनका कल्चर भी सेम है. And they are also from the same region. Why didn't they form a single country if that was the reason?
True.
You can't do that. You have your own nationalism to be, you have to fulfill your nationalism to your country. You have to owe allegiance to your country, to the state that you belong to. And there is a certain level of contribution you can make to that and see that you grow together with the people and the community and the surroundings that you go together. Say for example, अभी ये जो नए प्रधानमंत्री जो आप कह रहे हैं, ये गए थे जिस दिन आप इन्होंने शपथ लिया था, वोट लिया था, he called नवाज शरीफ. He went and he approached, he violated all the protocol and he said no, he should be invited, which is a good move.
Yes, of course.
Which is a good move. And then he is going around, he has gone to the other Gulf countries. He's meeting people. Well, what happens out of that is a different thing, but it is a clear sign. He doesn't have to communicate, he doesn't have to say what I'm doing. But when you see, you know that, well, he has gone and built relations. If he was a so-called, a Hindu ideologist or somebody who's against the Islamic nation or whatever, he wouldn't have done that. You see, but he is giving a clear message that, well, you know what, I am not against you guys, whether it is in India or whether it is in the whole world. I am coming and I am here. So, well, we have to respect, that part that, he's approached the community and the community has to now join up. The leadership in the community has to talk and see that we work for the development and progress of the nation and not have any kind of divisive politics and not play around, and be pawns in the hands of people where, it's of totally a negative energy that is going to be spilled over. So I think, this is something that we have to do. We have to fight terrorism. We have to fight anything that goes against the state. We have to fight everyone, whether it is from any religion, irrespective of whom we think, which religion they belong to. We should not have any kind of, a problem, and we should support the state. I mean, recently we had execution of Mehman, Yaqub Mehman, and we did have a lot of people were trying to, say that, well, the new government has come, and but what happened? What happens to the 325 people who died in the blast? क्या हम लोगों ने कभी हमारी आवाज़ उठाई कि भाई इन लोगों को हमने कभी सॉलिडारिटी दिखाई? ठीक है ना, एज ए इंडियन मुस्लिम अगर आपको जिम्मेवारी है अपने देश की, तो आपको ये आवाज़ उठानी थी कि भाई उन लोगों का क्या हुआ. ट्रेन ब्लास्ट है, मुंबई ब्लास्ट, उसमें इतने लोग मारे गए, तो उसमें क्या हुआ? ठीक है ना, तो आपके जितने कश्मीरी पंडित हैं, उन सारे पंडितों को वहाँ से निकाल दिया गया. They were displaced. And what did you do to express the solidarity with them? What did you do with the Sikhs who died in the 1994 riots? ठीक है ना? So there are incidents where people have given up their lives. There are people who have gone down and they were the people of this country. And never should we have that, आपने हमारे लोगों को किया, उनके लोगों को किया. ठीक है ना? जो we are talking about Godhra riots, we don't know what is the truth. Well, ये भी बात नहीं है कि भाई हमारे लोग दूध पी रहे थे तो किसी ने आके उनको अटैक कर लिया था. आप समझ गए ना? तो कुछ तो हुआ होगा. We are not a witness to that. Okay? But we don't know. We have to go abide, and we have to see that such things don't happen again. Yeah. And we have to keep our voice raised and, see that something like that does not happen in any part of the country. And we should hold ourselves responsible for something like that happening.
What do you say about the common Indian Muslim
जी.
right now? Is he in the mainstream? Is he connected to the mainstream?
तो जो आप इंडियन मुस्लिम की बात करें, जो आम आदमी है, देखिए वो क्या करता है, उसको तो बेचारे को अपने काम से मतलब है, उसको तो इससे तो रोज़ी रोटी नहीं मिलनी है ना, ये लड़ाई है, ये झगड़ा है, इससे तो कुछ रोज़ी रोटी मिलनी है नहीं. तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज़ दैट देयर इज़ नो एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Okay, and there is no employment because of there is less illiteracy. There is no literacy, and that has been very nicely used by lot of people, lot of governments right from beginning. And there is something that there is something that is stopping from being educated and from going ahead and getting himself full of knowledge. तो उसको पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, और पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है तो जो है जाके इलेक्शनों में लड़ाई करनी है और ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं, और the people, those political groups use them to come and be with them and spread violence, you see, and then they want to give them. So it's all like it all boils down to poverty. So they have to ensure that they come out of this poverty in a very self-respectable way by going and obtaining some education and then getting good employment, getting good jobs, and contributing something to the society. See, you need a sense of contribution. What are you contributing to the country? What are you contributing to the society? So the moment you get a sense of contribution, that what can I give, then there is something.